Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Roborock Zeo One. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Roborock Zeo One here, usually resetting it can solve a lot of issues. Now, if you're looking to remove any error codes that you may be seeing here, the best thing that you could try doing here is to basically internally reset the circuit within your Roborock Zeo One here. Now, to do that, you want to go and just unplug your washing machine here and just basically wait for about a few minutes or even an hour. So just basically unplug it. Now, if you can't unplug it yourself, you may want to turn off the circuit breaker for it and just basically wait for about like 15 minutes or an hour if you can. Then if you can leave it like a whole day, much better, and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, in this case, if you're just looking to reset your Wi-Fi connectivity here, which in this case, you need to do something else because there's certain levels of resetting your Roborock Zeo One here. So that involves like the full internal component reset, which what I said before. But if you just want to reset your Wi-Fi, all you need to do is you just need to press and hold the rinse button for about 3 seconds, and that should actually reset your Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can just follow the steps again to reconnect it again to your Wi-Fi. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.